next video will just be like me showing you everything. So here's my Wheelock 34 team. Yes, these are not plastic, they're fully metal and they weigh a lot. I got this pretty much brand new. Looks pretty cool. And for this one, same thing, it's all metal. This is what the mechanism looks like. I have this one still set up. And up here I replaced the Simplex with this MIZ. And in this room, we got the box we had got for this VG12. And basically just made a cover for it so nobody accidentally pulls it. And up here, we still have the HWL. It's on a high volume code 3. Over here, here's the system sensor P2W. It's on high volume code 3. Also 115 candela. These bars are going to nothing. So that means it's all electric horns. So I'm gonna put on your protection real quick and then I'm gonna pull it. So I'm gonna pull it now. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Something's wrong with that. I'm gonna pause it and hurry and fix the L-series. I fixed it, hopefully, and we'll pull this one. That's the model number for the BG12, if you're ever wondering. And there you go. That's just a brief overview of the system, all of the alarms we have, and yeah.